Hello, my name is Tatyana Edwards. Today we are going to show you this house with Tatyana Edwards and Edwards Realty.
Hi everybody, I'm Tatyana Edwards and I'm here to show you a listing that is listed by Jim Hunter with Realty Financial Group. 4 bedroom and 4 bathroom. The price is $540,000. The lot that the house is standing on is 0.27 acres. We are in the town of Woodfin, which is very close to downtown Asheville and the Asheville surrounding area. So let's go and look inside of the house. First, would like to mention that the house is, the siding is a hardy board, as you can see. Beautiful colors that go well with the current trend. If you look around, there are other homes that are built very similarly due to the size of the lots. They are smaller, but they're very, very tall. And Katrina, how many houses were built over here?
Realty Financial Group built 22 houses in this neighborhood over the
And
years.
all of them are either sold or for sale. Okay, so as we enter, we see the stairs leading to the second living. This house is actually 3-story, as you guys saw outside, but it can be separated into 2 separate living spaces. Let's go look at the bottom one first.
I like the door. The color is very nice.
Yes, it's very nice. I actually like the windows that you can see through who is there and who is not.
Exactly.
So right here is our first bedroom. It has its own mini split system. Very nice space with the closets.
It's a good size room.
Yes, good size, nice big windows, and all the colors are matching pretty good. Then we're gonna go right here through the hallway. Let's actually look what's in here. Oh, we got a water heater and a small expansion tank. Very good. And then there's a bathroom.
Oh, I love the granite.
Yes, it looks very beautiful. This house is on public water and public sewer. So I like checking the cabinets out there.
Are they black or dark blue?
They're actually dark blue, like navy.
Ooh.
So they have a soft close, except that, but for the drawers. So it's very nice. Look at the tile. I think it looks like a marble, maybe.
Marble, yeah.
Looks beautiful. And then very nice shower.
And it's blue light.
Yes, so this is a blue light. I'll show you in just a second, but the shower is very nice. I like when the tile goes all the way up. I also like when the showers have a space for all of your bottles. So this is a built-in shelf. So if you look on the wall right here, this is how you operate the blue light. That is actually the ventilation system. So to turn the fan on, I think you have to do something in there. Here we go, hold on. So it came on. You can actually hook on your Bluetooth and listen to music while you take a shower at the same time when your fan is working.
The same system was in the house and Hendersonville was recently sold.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're pretty new, and I like the novice of the things. And here's a kitchen / dining area. Very nice, very compact. If you look at the refrigerator, very nicely fitting, modern look.
Yeah. This place was small couch right here.
Yeah, I mean, recently built, so everything should be up to date, you know. Then there's the ice maker as well. Everything is stainless steel. So what else you need? The stove and the microwave.
I love this granite.
Yes, I love the stonework. It's very nice, and the blue matches well with the backsplash in this. And we got the dishwasher. And so there you will place probably a small table right here and enjoy your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So let's look at here. We got a space for the laundry. It's probably a stackable is going to go in there because of this space. But I mean, very, very good use of space. And we also have another mini split system right there to keep the house cold or hot. Let's go look upstairs. So welcome to the second level of this house, which is a totally separate dwelling. And when you come in, you can see that it's separated by the door. It has a lock, so nobody can come in.
Look at this big deck.
Yeah, so whoever decides to buy this house or rent it out or whatnot, which is perfect place to rent. We're close to UNC Asheville, University of North Carolina. You would be parking down there, walking up and coming through this sliding glass door.
So neighbors don't have to see each other.
Right, right. You got a nice big kitchen right here, again with a very, I think, beautiful countertops. Everything is matching very well in the modern style. And we have another mini split system. So each level has their own temperature adjustment.
So it's not central heating, right?
It's not. So it's a mini split. They're pretty common right now, and they're good. Here we got a pantry room, very nice and big size.
So this level has only kitchen and living space, right?
This level only has literally kitchen and a dining area.
And a living room right here, small.
Yes, living room / dining. These kitchen cabinets are gray. I like this gray.
What's
I think
on
it
the
also
left?
goes well.
What are those doors?
So right here we have a laundry space. I'll let you, how can we work it in?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, just open the door, the straight door.
Okay, so now you can just glance in.
Yeah, it doesn't open the whole.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't have to look inside.
But let's see, like this. Maybe you can
Let me look at that.
open it.
Yeah, this is the laundry room.
Yeah, so it's also probably a stackable. It's
Let
gonna
me
go
check
in there. There's I believe either utility room. It's a utility room, right?
Yeah. What's here?
And then we got a half bath.
Oh, very convenient next to the kitchen.
Yes. So when you're hosting people, you definitely can utilize this. And then I love this big tile, by the way. Look how big it is. It all goes well with the coloring and the color scheme of the house.
Okay, let's go to the third level.
Yep. Let's go to the third level and try not to have any out of breath situations.
I love the view. Big window.
The convenience of this place is awesome. So you're very close to future I-26 or 1923. Then close to town of Weaverville.
It's like 5 minutes from Asheville.
Yes, downtown Asheville, 5 to 10 minutes. Very, very close. And this is the last level where we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So let's look at this first bedroom.
This is nice big window.
And the closet. A lot of light, natural light coming in.
Yes, there are a lot of lights.
Let's go glance at another bedroom right here. It's mirror image to the one that we just saw, has the same type of window, and then 2 other ones along with the closet.
The room is small but very bright.
Yes, so they utilize the color and the windows very well to make it look pretty big. Then there is another shared bathroom, for the 2 rooms. Same style, color, and the stonework.
The shelf is the same.
Yes.
And toilet is behind the door.
And this one would be considered a master bedroom.
Let me show this little closet first.
Oh yeah, that's a linen closet.
Very nice. I love new houses. Everything smells good.
Me too, me too. And so this is your master. It's relatively small, but given where you are located and, considering a co-living space, that's pretty good size. And then you got a nice bathroom right here with the black stonework, as we saw at the other bathrooms. This is a very unique looking tile work. I'm actually very curious if they do it one dot at a time, or they
don't think so.
put it in blocks and then put it together. But it's very neat looking. Nice big tub. Again, the shelf right there, and there is a master closet.
Oh wow, it's walk-in closet.
Yeah.
I would say this house has a good choices of colors.
Definitely. I like the color scheme because it's very trendy, very to the now day and age. So we would like to get your opinion. What did you think of the house? Let us know. What would you like to see more of? You know, what we didn't cover. So thank you so much. We'll see you all later.